Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use seafoam, easy method. Start by measuring equal parts powder and water, then pour slowly into a clean container and stir steadily. Use a whisk or drill mixer on low speed to incorporate air without overheating the mixture. Pour into your mold or application area within the working time, and always test a small batch first for consistency and timing. Before mixing, clear your workspace and gather all tools so you can work seamlessly. Put on gloves and eye protection to prevent irritation from powder or splashes. Arrange molds, measuring cups, a whisk or mixer, and a timer nearby to avoid delays during the quick working window. Having everything ready reduces mistakes and helps you achieve consistent foam texture and predictable curing times for each batch. Control the final foam by varying mixing speed and technique to get the right bubble size and density. If you see large bubbles or collapse, try gentler stirring and a slightly cooler environment. For thicker foam, add measured increments of powder and remix until you reach desired viscosity. Always follow product directions about pot life, curing, and safe disposal to avoid failed batches and unnecessary waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.